Hi, I'm Brady Stockwell with Tom Wood Outdoor Equipment, and with me today is our Grasshopper rep, Bryce Hill. And we're going to talk about the features of the new 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI Stand-On from Grasshopper.
That's right, Brady. So this is an addition to our current line. This model's new for this year, comes in a 61 and a 72. Difference from last year's model, obviously we've got bigger tires, went to a 26-inch tire. Engine went from a 26 up to the 37 fuel-injected big block. The transmission went from a T2 transmission to a T6. All the other features are the same, so let's just kind of walk through those, Brady.
Okay.
So first thing you're gonna notice is that the engine and the transmission and the deck are all one, all go up and down. We've got 4 assist springs that lift this deck up and down, which is really easy. Brady can stand on here and I can still lift him up. And you can still do that on the 72 with just one hand. With this transmission, the T-drive is gonna have 1 pulley on it, as opposed with some of our competitions, that belt's gonna have to wrap around 5 pulleys. That belt's only gonna wrap around 3. And the idler system is all automotive with a serpentine belt for long life and really smooth in the sticks. Another feature that's unique to the Grasshopper mower is, I'm 6'5". This is comfortable for me, but if you're shorter, you can adjust the whole tower assembly. There is a adjustment bolt right here, and I've got 4.5 inches of adjustment up and down to tailor this machine to your height. So we're just gonna drop her down and it locks itself in place. You can also set your speed here by adjusting this rod and locking it down. With the engine and the transmission all being one, I can mow it 5 inches right out of the gate. I don't have to worry about any belt alignment issues, okay? We've got a standard striping kit on the deck that comes with all the machines as well. You come around here to the back, you're gonna see that everything's very easy to get to. Your service panel here comes off with 2 bolts. You can change your oil. There's an internal cartridge. The platform is super wide. It's got shocks on it for a nice cushioned platform for all-day use. There's 2 coil springs on each side that can be adjusted front and back if you want this platform to be stiffer or softer as well. The pad's super wide with no bolsters, so if you're on hillsides, you can really readjust your weight. Put your foot up here to handle those hillsides. This is my demo. If you're interested in trying one of these out, give Brady a call, and I'd be more than happy to bring it out and let you try it out.
And remember, it's all good at Tom Wood.
That's right.